Hi guys, I have the unfortunate news to report to you guys about my new Asus Zenfone 8 Flip, which you probably saw the unboxing video. If not, you can check out the link below that I put in the description of my unboxing video, which I did in like yesterday. So this is the new Zenfone 8 Flip, Asus Zenfone 8 Flip. It looks really cool, but it's a dud. It's basically not powering up. So I'm gonna show you guys like this. I'm gonna count to 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. My hand is on the power button. It's not powering up at all. So that is a major problem. Now I'm gonna try to charge it. I will show you my charger. I turn it on, right? And I'm gonna charge it. See, it's not charging. It does not show any sign of charging at all. So I'm gonna take it out and then I'm gonna count to 10 again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Nope, it's not turning on. And now I'm going to try a solution, which is to press the power button and the volume up and down button at the same time. I did try to figure this out yesterday, and by doing so it was able to turn on, but I'm not sure if it's going to turn on today or not. So it should lead to the power up menu. It does. So there you go. That is the bootloader menu. Okay, it's not coming on again. I don't know why, but let's try it again. Okay, there you go. You just have to hold on to the power and then the volume up and volume down button at the same time, and this will come on, and there you go. It starts. So I don't know what is wrong with this new Zenfone 8 Flip. Looks really cool, but having this kind of problem, Asus, what are you thinking, right? And okay, so I'm going to show you guys that the charging is actually working, and you see here 77%. Let's turn on the brightness so you guys can see it. Okay, so no, I'm not going to log in. I'm just going to show you guys that it's 77%, and I'll put the charger here. I'm going to turn it on. See, it is charging, right? If you guys can see it, it's charging, but that shows you that the charger actually works. But when I turn it off, it doesn't want to charge, and then it doesn't want to turn on except when I press the up and down and the power key button. So sometimes it doesn't work. I tried earlier and it didn't work, so it gave me a scare. But yeah, I don't know what's wrong with the phone, and I really hope that it can be fixed in the update, which I will do, and I will get back to you guys if it works. But if not, this is a documented proof that it doesn't work, and Asus has some problems. So I'll see you guys. Thanks guys.